Comes set again. The catcher sets up on the outside edge. Here's a swing and a high, deep drive to right field, and that ball is going to get out of here. Up over the scoreboard and out onto Nationwide Boulevard. Greg Bird crushed it. Tomlin was throwing the kitchen sink at him, trying to get him early in that at-bat. And finally leaves a pitch out over the plate, and Greg Bird destroys it for his 5th home run of the season. And the RailRiders take an early 2-0 lead. RBIs 15 and 16 for Bird.